question 6 here is 6 marks and it's non-calculator. So let's do the first part. I'll just zoom in. Now the series 1 writes down 3 numbers A, B and C. Find A to B to C. That's very good. So let's first write it like A to B is 1 to 3. B to C is 6 to 5. There is B in common. Have you noticed? There is a B here and there is a B there. So it's the same thing. So we will try to get these numbers, the 3 and 6, to be the same number. How can we do that? We will multiply the first ratio here by 2. If we do that, the first ratio will be 2 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. So the first ratio will be 2 to 6 and the second one is just 6 to 5. Now we have 6 and 6. So that means A is 2, B is 6 and C is 5. So A to B to C is 2 to 6 to 5. We got 2 marks already on this part. Now let's look at the second part. Express A as a fraction of the total of the 3 numbers. So A, you have just 2. And the total is 2 plus 6 plus 5. That gives you 13. So A as a fraction is 2 out of the total, which is 13. And that's 2 marks again. Now the last part here. Emma writes down 3 numbers, M, N, and P. N is 2M, P is 5N. Find M to P. This is a very nice question. Now, what I will do now is I'll just write M to N to P. So M is just M. We don't have a value other than M. N is 2M. P is 5N. So P equals 5N. Sorry, and the value of N is 2M, right? The value of N equals 2M. So I'll just write P equals 5 and then 2M. So it's 10M. So let's write it here. So P is equal to 10M. Now the question asks to write M to P. So M to P is just M to 10M. There is no need for M. So it's just 1 to 10. And that's your answer. Now, this is 6 marks question. Did you get it? That's all. Let's go to the next question.